Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload stories on Instagram on your PCs. For this, I have opened my Instagram on my PC. I'll right click on the screen and select the option Inspect. I have to select this icon here. Now you can select any of the mobiles or iPhone. Now I'll refresh the page. As you can see, now I have the option to upload story. I'll select one image. Add to your story. This is how you can upload story on your Instagram from your PCs. If the video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.